They come out from the trouble song.
This is under them saying it needs to. I have to under here.
It is 8:55. This time we're going to reconvene our executive session. I feel like I keep saying this over and over again, but thank you for staying. At this time, I think what you all have been waiting for, this board has got to make a decision what to do with Coach Porter's report. I'll open this up for...
I'd like to make a motion that we release the report completely without any redactions. I recommend that we release it Saturday morning. We want to put it on the website. We want it available here free of charge, and also available at our local libraries. If somebody does not have a computer and can't download it or get here, they can go to the library and check out a copy or make copies there.
Do I have a second?
Second.
Any discussion?
I've got something I want to say. When I first looked at this report, I was really frustrated. The cost bothered me, but more than that, what bothered me is that we had a small handful of people involved in this cost. The $151,000 could have been spent for a lot of other things, but we could not have not done this report. It would have been irresponsible for us not to address the internal concerns of our teachers. The reputation of our school system was put in question, and Hoover High School teachers have worked too hard and too long to get to the reputation they have right now. We have 180 employees, and almost all of them are doing their job. They come to work, they try to educate our kids, they're looking out for the best interests of our kids. We have a small handful of people that are involved in this, and that, for me, says great. We only have a few things we've got to straighten out. It's not the core of Hoover High School. It's a small, small group of people, and we're going to fix that problem. And I just think Hoover's worked too hard to get where they are for us, for this community to be drugged through what it was drugged through over these past several months. That really frustrated me. And this is not going to end here tonight with the report being released or my desire to have the report released. I don't know what my fellow board members will vote. But we're going to continue and work with Mr. Craig and his superintendents to come up with a remedy for the problem, and we're not going to side-skirt anything. We did not ask for this report to push anything aside. Our kids, their reputation and their diplomas are imperative for us to be able to stand behind them and nobody make a joke about us again.
Thank you, Ms. Baker. Is there anything else that anybody else wants to say?
I'd like to correct a misimpression that seems to be created in some quarters. I guess I read it most often in the Birmingham News, that somehow this board thinks that it's not a public agency, and somehow this board thinks that what's going on here isn't the public's business and that we want to keep secrets from the public. Nothing could be further from the truth. Those are easy shots to take at a public body that has to follow rules, it has to follow laws, has to follow procedures, has to respect the rights of its students and the rights of its employees. But those are unfair characterizations. I've never felt